Ready to ride the meme coin wave and discover the next big thing? Let's dive into how to use Bloombot to uncover hidden gem meme coins poised for explosive growth. First, find Bloombot. You can usually find this through a link shared on Telegram or their official website. Be extremely cautious of fake bots. Always verify the official source before proceeding. Next, add Bloombot to your Telegram group or start a direct chat with it. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the bot and grant it the necessary permissions. This usually involves starting a conversation and sending a specific command. Now, let's explore the commands. Bloombot has a bunch of features to help you find winning meme coins. Type help to see a list of the available commands. Familiarize yourself with commands like trending per new and per volume. Use the trending command to see which meme coins are currently getting the most buzz. This gives you a real-time snapshot of what the market is talking about. To get detailed information on a coin, use its ticker symbol or contract address with the appropriate command. The bot provides crucial data, including its contract address, price chart, trading volume, and links to social media. Analyze the information carefully. Look at the coin's price chart for patterns, check its trading volume to gauge liquidity, and assess its social media presence for community engagement. A combination of factors can signal a potentially profitable investment. Remember, investing in meme coins is risky. Always do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bloombot is a tool to aid your research, not a guaranteed ticket to riches. Happy hunting!